Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what I have here today is this Torrent ceiling fan. It is finally all fixed up. I don't have campy screws for it, but it's no big deal. So yeah, the shades came in today, and the blades are here. But instead of this fan being 64 inches, it's unfortunately 52, since I couldn't find a set of 64-inch blades. But it honestly looks better than the real deal here. Yeah, here it is. It is from the 21st week of 2015, is what I've been told by other people. But yeah, these shades look better than the originals. Yeah, it looks pretty good. There are a few flaws here and there, but other than that, it came out really good. But yeah, let's start with the light here. Here's the light. And we will go to low. Oh yeah, this is a 4-speed fan, so yeah, speed 1. This fan is for sale, and the link will be in the description on eBay. I've never seen this ceiling fan before. I didn't even know what it was. I had to look up the model number to get the name to try to identify this fan, but I did. I found this fan at the Habitat scrap pile. Just the motor. It had globes, but one of them was broken. And it didn't have any blade screws, and it didn't have any blades, so that's why in the previous video it had no blades and only 2 globes run. Has a nice aesthetic low. Go to speed 2 now. Moves a decent amount of air on low speed. Well, speed 2. I think this fan either has, I think it has a 188 in it. Because I don't know if 172 would do a good job of pushing the heavy blades that this has, because 64-inch blades are pretty heavy. Here's speed 3. And we'll go to high. Does a pretty good job. And to be honest, it looks better with the 52-inch blades than it would if it had 64. That's just my opinion. And other people even said that to me too. And your spin down. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.